The Dremel 8250 12V Lithium-Ion Variable Speed Rotary Tool boasts cutting-edge features that elevate it above the competition. With advanced brushless motor technology, it delivers exceptional performance, offering more power, extended runtime, and enhanced durability, ensuring a longer tool life. This cordless marvel brings the power of corded tools to a portable, convenient form, making it the go-to choice for various applications. One of its standout features is its compatibility with all Dremel rotary accessories and attachments, making it incredibly versatile. Whether you're cutting, sanding, drilling, cleaning, grinding, sharpening, or engaging in any other task, the 8250 handles it with ease. The patented Easy Twist nose cap simplifies accessory changes, eliminating the need for a wrench and saving valuable time. Powered by a high-performance 12-volt, 3.0 amp-hour battery, this tool offers twice the battery life compared to its predecessor, the 8220. The included battery charger ensures a quick turnaround with a 95-minute charge time, keeping you productive for longer periods. With a variable speed dial ranging from 5,000 to 30,000 RPM, users can achieve maximum control and precision across various materials such as wood, metal, plastic, and tile. The comprehensive kit includes essential accessories like cut-off wheels and mandrels, along with a durable accessory storage case and fabric tool storage case for added convenience. The 8250's design emphasizes both performance and user comfort, featuring an ergonomic body and a built-in stand for stability during use. Having previously owned a corded Dremel 4400, transitioning to the cordless 8250 was a natural choice. The decision was reinforced after extensive research into competing products, confirming its superiority in terms of power, runtime, and features within its price range. The 8250 surpassed expectations, impressing with its whisper-quiet operation, minimal vibration, and consistent performance even under demanding conditions. Despite initial concerns about its bulkiness due to the battery, the 8250 proved to be surprisingly lightweight and comfortable to handle. The inclusion of indicator lights for speed and battery status further enhances the user experience, though the quality of the included case leaves much to be desired compared to previous hard-shell versions. In summary, the Dremel 8250 12V Lithium-Ion Variable Speed Rotary Tool emerges as a standout performer, offering unparalleled versatility, power, and convenience. Its cordless design eliminates the constraints of a corded tool, providing freedom of movement without compromising on performance. While the battery life could be improved, it remains a minor drawback compared to the overall satisfaction derived from this exceptional tool. For anyone seeking a reliable, high-performance rotary tool, the Dremel 8250 is undoubtedly a top contender.